Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mount your SJCAM onto a tripod. To mount it onto a tripod, you can use this screw hole at the bottom. You can just screw in a tripod and it'll be mounted. I think I'll try to do it. Maybe I'll get my tripod. So I actually have a thing like this. This thing simply screws onto the camera, then goes onto an actual big tripod that I won't fit in the viewport. But yeah, you can just screw it on however you wish. This one is actually made for big, like big cameras, but you can see it's on. It doesn't sit too well because I think the screw is a bit too long, but that's how you do it. I'm gonna unscrew it. Then there's also another option that you can use, and it's pretty great, which lets you better better tilt the camera front and back, which is these two attachments that are in the box. You can screw the first one in, the smaller one in. Let's tighten it. I'll need to do it that way, then maybe screw on this part so it doesn't move too much. Now it's great. And then I can take this other part, put it on. Then there is a screw right here that I can screw in. And now once I attach it to this part with the screw, if I want to do it, I can just do it like that, then find the screw, screw it in, and what it lets me do, what it gives me, is an option to, you'll see that, to tilt the camera front or back by slightly, ever so slightly unscrewing the screw. Now I can tilt it and then screw it back on. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.